Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you make pivot table in Excel? It's going to be really quick, so bear with me. Go ahead and select data. Okay, so after you select data, highlight the data range that you want to analyze. Insert pivot table once you're done with that. So insert the ribbon click pivot table and confirm the data range. Now, next is designate rows and columns. Drag fields into rows and columns, areas where pivot tables, paint to specify when you're categorizing data. So next is to add values. So drag fields into the values to basically customize the data here. And next is the customize layout. Rearrange fields to adjust the structure of the pivot table. And once you're done with that, you're going to apply the filter. So use the filter buttons in the pivot table to focus specified data. So that's how quick and simple and easy it is. So that's just it. You're able to customize your own pivot table now. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.